Imagine a phone so advanced, it makes your current device feel like a potato with a screen. Yes, we're talking about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. Let's dive into why this foldable marvel is turning heads and dropping jaws. Samsung's foldables have always been the cool kids on the block, but the Z Fold 7 is about to graduate with honors. Rumor has it, this device will ship with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. No more waiting for updates like you're in line at the DMV. Remember the days when software updates were as timely as a sloth on a Sunday stroll? Samsung seems to have hit the turbo button this time. Waiting for software updates used to be like watching paint dry, if the paint was also waiting for an update. Now let's talk specs. The Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 1 terabyte of storage. That's more power than your average laptop, all in your pocket. And the camera? A whopping 200 megapixel main sensor. That's so many megapixels, you could zoom in on a photo and see what someone had for lunch. But here's the kicker. Despite all these upgrades, the battery remains at 4,400 milliamp hours. It's like giving a race car a fuel tank the size of a soda can. But wait, there's more. The Z Fold 7 is also rumored to be thinner than ever, possibly just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded. That's thinner than a pancake on a diet. With all these features, the Z Fold 7 isn't just a phone, it's a multitasking powerhouse. Whether you're editing documents, watching videos, or juggling multiple apps, this device has got you covered. And for those who love to sketch or take notes, the S Pen support is the cherry on top. Just remember, it's sold separately, because nothing says premium like paying extra for a pen. If you're intrigued by the Z Fold 7, wait until you see what's next. Check out our deep dive into the Samsung G Fold's insane upgrades. You won't believe what's coming.